So you may ask yourself, Harry, how did you find DarthShader window tint? We were out doing some production one day at her shop, and she showed me this demo station she had set up, where she had this heat lamp, and she said, put your hand in front of that. And I was like, girl, that's hot. So anyway, then she put the window tint protection and said, put your hand in front of that. And I was like, that's nice. Another benefit of tinting your windows on your vehicle is UV protection. Protect your car, protect your eyes, and you look so much better sitting behind. Shades, baby. Another benefit of window tint, it protects not only UV rays from coming in, but it also protects you from outsiders looking to see what you got in your vehicle. Sometimes I carry production gear in my vehicle. I try not to leave it in there, but when occasion I have to, I don't want everybody to see it, so they can't look in and see what I got, baby. So fam, if I do buy another vehicle, believe me, I will take it to DarthShader window tint, paint protection, and ceramic coating. XPEL, baby, strong protection, and it lasts a long time.